now be preparing the stiffener panels for assembly. The stiffener panels can come printed on a sheet of paper or plastic. The general process is we need to remove all the unnecessary material and secure the stiffeners in the proper position using a painter's tape. So first step is we will be cutting the long lines, long blue dotted lines that go parallel on the width of the panel. We will be using a metal ruler to guide the blade. You will find it much easier if you use a metal ruler which has a completely rectangular cross section as opposed to one of these which has rounded corners, because the one with the rectangular section will hold the sheet of paper to the working surface all the way to the edge, preventing it from shifting, especially when cutting two parallel cuts that are very close to each other. We finish cutting all the long cuts. Now we will be cutting the really small connecting line by this separating the thin strips out. These are waste. At the same time we will be cutting the extra material at the end of the panel. Once all the cuts are being made, all that's being left is to remove the thin strips of material. Once all the horizontal lines are cut and the material between the strips is being removed, we use painter's tape to secure the strips to each other so we can cut them off the panel. There are 4 green lines that are running parallel with the edge. We want to be putting the tape on top of the green lines. Now that each individual stiffener it's secured to the table and to each other, we can cut them out from the panel. After cutting all the edges, we simply remove the extra material and the panel is ready for assembly.